Enjoy the view of this 2022 Nissan Frontier. Make comfort and convenience part of every job in this well-equipped Frontier. This midsize pickup is built to work as hard as you do, and it's available at an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, trailer hitch, electronic stability control, floor mats, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows. Don't let this affordable Frontier slip away. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.